Hello and thanks for watching Best Maths Tutors. I'm continuing to go through the Edexcel Higher Tier paper from 2019. It's paper 3 and it's a calculator paper, and we're currently on question 12. We're going to cover all the questions, so please hit the subscribe button if you'd like to see the rest of the questions. So it says here, Patrick has got to work out the exact value of 64 to the power 1/4. So what we've got is, this is a question about fractional indices, and that means in this case we've got 64 to a power which is a fraction, and so that's why it's fractional indices. And what he said is that 1/4 of 64 is 16, which is true, because if we said 1/4 and for the of we can say times, would give us 16. So that's true. But then what he's gone on to say is, so if this is true, so it is also the case that 64 to the power 1/4 would give us 16. But in fact, Patrick's wrong, and we've got to explain why Patrick is wrong in saying that. We can say, actually, we can show that it's not equal to 16 by putting a little line through the equals. So that's some mathematical notation there. That means 64 to the quarter is not equal to 16. So we're going to look at why is it not equal to 16. Well, in fact, what that means then is that it's a root. If the power's at the bottom of a fraction there, so we've got 1/4, 1/4, it actually means that it's 64 to the quarter is actually the fourth root of 64, which means we're looking for the number which we could multiply by itself 4 times to give us 64. So I'll just write that down just so we've got that clear. So we're looking for a number we can multiply by itself 4 times to give 64. Another little example, because this won't give us a nice number, this will give us a decimal actually if we work it out. If, for example, we wanted to know what the fourth root of 16 was, then the answer to that is it's 2, because 2 times 2 times 2 would give us 16. So to answer this one, 64 to the power 1/4, what we're looking for is the number which we could multiply by itself 4 times to give us 64. Now, I'll do this on the calculator and we'll see that it's actually not a nice number, not a whole number or anything like that. So to do this, what we can do is we have to press the shift button, and then we can see we've got in yellow there, we've got a square root sign with 2 missing numbers. So we can press that and we can see we've got the root there in the little square that's flashing at the moment. So I can put 4 in for that. And then if I go into use my navigation buttons here, so I'm going to then go into the inside the actual, there we go, inside the root sign. So now I can put in 64, and if we work that out, then we'll see we get a horrible answer. So we can see it's actually not a nice decimal at all. So we can see we couldn't write it down as a whole number. So we've got approximately 2.83 approximately. Okay, we've put a lot of other decimals after that. So to answer this question, explain why he is wrong, we'd need to just say, really, that Patrick should be trying to find the fourth root of 64. and we can just could just show it like this, and that would be enough. So we've just shown that Patrick's misunderstood what the symbol means there. So I hope that's been helpful to you. If it has, please like our video and subscribe to our channel. And for more help, visit our website, which is bestmathstutors.co.uk. Thanks for watching.